Alright guys, we have a package. You're gonna like this. You see this? You know this is a magnet board you can use to
Magnets.
you can use to draw.
And that's a dry eraser.
You know what? You know why I like this one? Because it has a stand, you can stand it. You know?
Yeah.
It has a stand. I think this is the stand, right?
Yeah.
Then I'll screw it like that.
Yo, that's actually cool.
Hmm?
Like
Yeah, it's like this. You can use this thing and make it as a stand
and draw.
and draw. Oops. Okay, I have to tie this. Let me tie it. And they have a marker.
Wait, where's the marker?
You see? They have a marker.
Oh, in there. Whoa. Oh my god.
Oh my!
This is the coolest thing.
I'm speechless.
I thought it was just going to come with one basic marker, but never mind.
Yeah, I have a marker.
What is that?
Okay, we're gonna use this to clean. I think it's magnet too.
Wow.
No, magnet. Let me see if you're magnet.
Yeah, it's all the colors.
It's a magnet board. You can use those for it.
It's so cool.
The markers you can use for drawing. You know how to draw?
Yeah.
You know how to draw?
Yeah.
It is right here.
Wait, there's actually, it's really cool. You could actually use the marker and then use it and erase. It's actually really cool. Or just use that.
My name is a walrus. My name is a zebra. Alphabet. Has letters and numbers. Look, it's getting full, Mike.
My get is full. No, you have to do it separate. When you finish with the animal stuff, you can get that one. The market is full. It's full. You're gonna remove it if you want to do the letters. You do the letters. See, it's full.
You know this.